Hi friends, welcome to the Infoxist. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Threads account, whether it's permanently or temporarily. So without wasting the time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Thread application, then tap here this profile icon and tap on double line button here on top right corner. And the fourth option in this list is account. Tap on that. And here you can see on second number deactivate profile. Simply tap on that and tap on deactivate threads profile. While deactivating your profile is temporary, your profile thread replies and likes will be hidden until you reactivate by logging back in. And for deleting your account permanently, tap here. And here you can see the clear-cut message is written there. If you want to delete your Threads account permanently, you will have to delete your Instagram account. And note that we are looking into a way to delete your Threads profile separately. And I hope you understood the deactivating profile of Threads, whether it's permanently or temporarily. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.